Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Kind Spirit Tech. So today we are going to talk about stat summary with GGPLOT. And if you want to go in deep with this function, keep in mind that reading documentations is absolutely necessary. And from my perspective, whenever I have to deal with some specific calculations, I would definitely go with custom functions. And I already have an episode about that subject. But in this episode I'm going to teach you how to use basic mechanics behind stat summary. And first of all, what is the purpose of stat summary? It's to summarize values on y-axis in regards of element on x-axis. And that is usually about taking some average value or spawn of values. And for purpose of this tutorial, I have this data frame that is going to be our data source, and I'm going to provide that data source to our GGPLOT function. And let's say we are going to create basic statistics of x and a. And now I'm going to create one GEOM bar like this. Let's provide aesthetics with fill color of factor of A. That's all for aesthetics. Now I would like to set position to dodge, stat to identity. We are always using stat identity when we are dealing with values. Okay, this is fine for GEOM bar. And now I would like to deal with my theme in order for this to look nice. So I don't want any legend. Legend position set to none. Then aspect ratio, let's say to 0,5. So our plot is going to be stretched along the x-axis. Then panel grid is going to be element blank. I don't want to have any panel grid, so white color. And panel background, it's also going to be element blank. Okay, let's see what we have. And on top of all of this, I'm going to add function stat summary. Make some space. So basically with this function we are going to get dots or lines that are going to represent our values or spawn of values. And first option that I'm going to set is size of my dot. It's going to be, let's say, 0,7. Color is going to be black. And now the most important element, fun or fun data. So first I'm going to show you how to use argument fun. Fun stands for function. And let's say that we want to get mean value for all of a values per x element. So I'm just going to provide mean. So you don't have to provide these brackets, just mean. Save it, run it. And you see we are going to get dots on mean value. Now I'm going to use median. And if we deal with argument fun, we are going only to get single value. But if we want spawn of values, we are going to provide argument fun data. And in here we could provide a couple of different values. So now mean, CL, boot. If I run this code, now we have both mean values and spawn of values around it. Now let's go with CL normal, run this code. And there are two more. It's mean SDL. And one more, mean hello. Run it. Okay, probably missed something. Not mean, it's median hello. Like this, run it. So guys, this is all for this episode. I truly hope that you have learned something interesting. So please like, subscribe, and see ya.